Sharon Danley here with another 2-minute tip. This week it's about holiday red lipstick, just in time for the holidays. And it's all about using what's probably already in your bag if you're a Superstay fan like I am. I'm going to show you how to combine colors together to get some wonderful looks for the holidays that should cover every kind of red that you may need. So first out of the chute on our holiday reds is a kind of a pink or a blue undertone to your lips. They have intensity, strength, but not over the top. The first color or the first layer I put on, a thin layer, was number 015, which is the red cherry. And here it is here. And then the second one that I put on was the number 55, perpetual plum. And again, just one layer, and you let these dry in between. And then the third one, of course, for highlight is the number 110 that I use. For longevity and eating turkey and drinking your wine and all those sorts of things that you'll be doing over the holidays, this is really a great lipstick for correcting your lips for the older face, and for not allowing the lip color to bleed, feather, transfer anything with any oily foods that you might be eating. So this is number 1, our blue-based red for the holidays. And number 2 on the hit parade is number 25. Again, the Maybelline Superstay. Notice how I wipe the wand off so I don't have too much excess before I apply, and I don't need a lip liner. Notice how thin my lips are too, and how I'm going to augment them. So I start in the corner and I just go across gingerly to do the correction that I know I need to do for my lips. And then on the other side, and I find that there's enough with one dip into the tube to do the top, and sometimes I have to go in a second time for the bottom, but I think this is going to do it just fine. And see the difference in augmenting the lip, what a difference that can make. And this is such a great red too. It's that classic Christmas red that's very slightly on the warm side. And now I'm just correcting. Now I'm going in to fill in the corners, which are often overlooked. And then I just, because I'm only using one color with this demonstration, I'm just going to fill in as usual everywhere that I need to, and correct any little fixes that I may need to do. So that's it for that. Wait a few seconds till it dries, and then the balm that's at the other end, I just apply that simply. And that's all you really need to take with you when you're going out too. And you don't even need a mirror to look into. Just apply it, and that's it. Number 25. And for red lip number 3, we have our classic number 25. Goes with anything, any time of the year, anywhere. And on top of it, I have 150, which gives it that little bit of a highlight or pearly look right in the center of the lip. This is a warm red that goes with anything. And of course, with the traditional Christmases, where the reds are usually just a little bit warmer than they are cool. So those are 3 choices for you, from a berry look to a classic true red to a warm red. Hope you enjoy your holidays, whichever lipstick you choose. Mwah!